the Mahayuti alliance is concerned, making headway in over Baramati. Is what we're picking up at the moment. So that is the latest that we continue to track. Shweta, as far as this significant development, we're also looking at these visuals on our screens. Politically speaking, tell us more. What are we picking up?
Well, that's right. In fact, late night meeting has apparently resolved the Baramati seat. When it comes to Vijay Shivtare versus Ajit Pawar, we have seen that how he was warm welcomed at the residence. And here, what we understand is that not only Ajit Pawar, we have seen that Devendra Fadnavis as well as CM was also present. Now it's been apparently seen that the things are moving into right direction as per Mahayuti alliance. And here it's been important to note that strong words were exchanged between Ajit Pawar faction and also between Eknath Shinde Shiv Sena faction from Vijay Shivtare. And after that, show cause notice was sent to him by his own political party Shiv Sena to explain his behavior within 24 hours, or it could be coercive action could be taken, like expelling him from the party. And there we see the consequences that at night all the three party leaders have met, and this is somewhere giving us the positive indication that everything is going well. As far as the Baramati constituency seat is concerned, all we find is that there is no overlapping claims which have been earlier, which was done, of course, by the Shiv Sena faction of Eknath Shinde and by NCP. Now, time will reveal that who is exactly going to represent from Mahayuti alliance as far as the Baramati seat is concerned in the state of Maharashtra.
Right, Shweta, I appreciate you getting us the latest as far as what we're picking up on this as well. Of course, a lot is that is happening in the state of Maharashtra. So we'll keep a close eye and keep coming back to you for more.